you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey there, Griswold gang. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back from your weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are a first timer to the channel, first timer to the Strat, or you are struggling with trading in the stock market, we are about to change all that for you guys right here. Let's start off by going down below. You can click that subscribe button and hit that bell. That bell will give you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay, this is our top 5 watch list for Tuesday, July 5th, and I send these out every day, guys. I send out a main watch list. I send out a top 5 watch list, weekly swings, monthly swings, quarterly swings. I have over 200 videos for you guys to learn how to trade in the stock market consistently and profitably, how to trade the Strat, and how to just become a better trader, okay? And they're all for free. So over 200, and they go from anything from what these candlesticks mean to how to trade certain setups, entries and exits, how to manage your trades, trade reviews on trades that we've taken, how to draw a broadening formation. If you're new, I know it sounds like a lot. This is the easiest strategy that you guys will ever come across, okay? You can go over to Twitter as well. You can follow me there at Mr. Clark Griswold. I send out tweets throughout the day on possible setups on trades. You can comment there. You can ask me questions there. Send me a DM. I'll get back to you guys usually within the same day, okay? So don't be shy. Don't feel like it's a dumb or silly question. Just ask. I'm here to help, okay? One more thing before we get started, a couple more things. Down below in the description is a link. That link will give you a free trial to TradingView for new users, okay? So if you've never used TradingView before, if you're wondering what this platform is that we're using, it is TradingView right here at the top left. It'll give you a 30-day free trial, and then if you choose to get a subscription to it, you can get up to $30 off depending on which subscription you choose, okay? So you can click on that link below to get that. The one last thing I want to talk about, guys, and this is the worst part, it's crappy. No one likes watching them. They're annoying. The ads that pop up, I'm asking you to let them play through. Those ads are what lets me keep this stuff free for you guys and prevents me from starting a Discord or starting a website where you guys have to pay to follow along, okay? And I want to keep it free for you guys. There's nothing wrong with paying for that stuff, for Discords, but for myself, I want to try and keep it free. So the way I do that, guys, is for you to keep watching those ads as they roll on. Let the advertisers pay for you guys to learn this education, okay? Keep the money in your pockets. With that being said, let's get started on the top 5 watch list. If you watch the main watch list, you know what's coming here with these inside bars and 3-1 setups, okay? So let's get started. And these are in no particular order, 1 through 5. They are what they are. The first one I've got on our list is Pfizer PFE. So Pfizer has an inside bar, guys. And I will always tell you, an inside bar shows consolidation within a stock. And when you see these bars, I want you to imagine that it is a coiling spring, getting tighter, 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 tighter. And then when you let go of that spring, the next bar explodes up or down. Just like you see here where we exploded up. We can go to any inside bar, and probabilities tell us that we'll see the exact same thing. Okay, a run to the upside or the downside with targets being hit. Okay, a run to the upside, target being hit. Run to the downside, again, not foolproof, and this is why I go back to show you guys this target wasn't hit, but there was some profit to be taken there. Inside bar, target 1, target 2, not quite, but almost 2 targets hit off of that inside bar. Here's another one, right there, target hit, okay? Trigger, target, okay? Inside bar right here, trigger, not quite target, but that was still a really good gain off of that inside bar. We'll go look at one more here. Inside bar to the downside, hit targets. also hit the bottom of the broadening formation, okay? So they're not foolproof, guys, but the probabilities of these inside bars making a move and making us money are very, very high. They're very, very good. So we're going to look at Pfizer tomorrow or on Tuesday or today, whenever you're watching this video. Calls at 52.38, puts at 51.24. Our magnitude or pivot point or target, they all mean the same thing, is at the top or the bottoms of the preceding wicks. Okay, so here, then the next one would be here, then the next one would be here. Okay, to the downside, we've got the first one marked out. The next one is here. The next one is here. Okay, the next one is here. Okay, and then there's a gap. So when there's a gap, we take the top of the wick. Okay, so that's PFE. Next one we go to is DraftKings DKNG. DraftKings also has an inside bar doji candle, and we can look for calls at 12.09, puts at 11.48. Our magnitude to the bottom isn't great. Our magnitude to the top is a lot better. Okay, so inside bar, and again, we can go back and look up. It doesn't matter on any stock. This inside bar, we trended up off of it. This inside bar to the downside. This inside bar through triggers, first targets. Okay, inside bar to the upside. Inside bar to the downside. And again, these don't always have to hit targets, but this is still from here to here is really good profit, guys, on an option trade. Okay, double inside bar to the downside. And you don't have to trade with options. If it goes to the upside and you want to buy common shares, go ahead. I wouldn't recommend shorting a stock with common shares, but if you know how to do it and you're comfortable, by all means, it's your money, okay? I can't prevent you guys from doing it. I can only show you what we do with the Strat and what I do with the Strat and what works for us, okay? I talked about time frame continuity on the main video a little bit, and I'll talk about it here right now. So because this month and quarterly are opened, they opened on Friday, July 1st. They're only one day in. So the monthly and quarterly candlestick is the same as what you're seeing right here on the daily. It's exactly the same. Okay, the day and the week have not opened up. So on all of these plays, guys, if we open to the upside, all four of these are going to be green. If we trend to the downside, all four of these are going to be red. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit of a tricky Tuesday, but we'll see how it plays out. Okay, next one on the list is GME. It's GameStop. Outside bar, inside bar. Powerful pattern, powerful setup, a rare setup. Okay, so we have an outside bar, which breaks the high and the low of the previous candle, followed by an inside bar, which stays within the range. It doesn't happen very often. Okay, and we have a couple here, and we can see what happened on them. And again, these aren't foolproof, but we're playing probabilities, and we're not playing them until they trigger. Okay, so outside bar, inside bar, and a beautiful run down on this one. We hit one target at least plus, okay? So we didn't hit this target down here, but this was a really good gain. And then we had this outside bar, inside bar, and again, we didn't hit targets. These bars are really, really big bars, but this from here to here, from 90.8 95 to 90.8 is it's a great gain in common. It's a even better gain when you're trading in options, okay? So rare setup, powerful setup, 3 ones, okay? I have videos on just these and how to play them, okay? You just have to go look at the Learning Tool playlist. QQQ, this is also a inside bar. We went back and looked at some of the inside bars on QQQ, and the history on them are not great, okay? So you can still play this, and again, it's probabilities, guys. We break at 282.48 and we hit our first target, you made your money. Okay? You can then move your stop losses to that same target, okay? Same thing with the downside. We can put in a target to the downside. I can also put this target up here for you guys if we trend up. So again, if we blow through this first target and we're in this range, make this your stop loss. And then you're in the trade and you're out of the trade for sure with profit, okay? So that is 4. We'll go to Airbnb with play number 5. Another inside bar with Airbnb. We can take calls at 91.53, puts at 87.43, and then I'll give you a bonus play here with TTD, the trade desk, inside bar. And again, I know that the full time frame continuity is to the downside, but if we trend and break this trigger to the upside off of this broadening formation, then the quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily will all be showing green, okay? We do have a monthly trigger down here. There will be a monthly video out if it's not already. You guys can check that out. And that's the list, guys. I want to mention one other thing. We're keeping this stuff free for you guys as long as the ads are producing income to complete these. The other thing I'm looking at doing is getting a few other things like an indicator or one-on-ones, private Twitter spaces, and I want to make that as a special thing for a bunch of people. If they want to pay the extra money to go into those, I am exploring that option. So in creating this indicator that I'm talking about, it'll be exclusive to you guys that join, but I want to know what you guys want to see. So for sure, I'll have these inside bars colored. I'll have the outside bars colored. I'll have these tags in here with these IBs. If we go back to look at the outside bars, I'll have these colored with the tags. Okay. I'll have the 3-1 setups highlighted in yellow. I will have the double inside bars highlighted with the navy blue that is already on here. Okay. Plus the time frame continuity will also be on here. And I'll keep these candlestick numbers on here for you guys, okay? So those are some of the things. If you want some other things on there, let me know what needs to be added. Somebody asked about broadening formations. Probably not able to do that just because those kind of have to be drawn by you. Go check out my broadening formations video if you need a little help with that. Okay, so that's the video, guys. That's the top 5 watch list for Tuesday, July 5th. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Good luck tomorrow or today on Tuesday. Good luck. Make sure you guys are watching those ads. Follow me on Twitter and subscribe down below. We will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.